it's Jessie here. I'm back with my weekly grocery haul. Sirius, get down. Look at my cat trying to get into my groceries. Get down, buddy. We have my weekly grocery haul. I went in store at Walmart today. We have a big snowstorm coming, so I wanted to make sure we were able to get everything we needed. I didn't want to mess around with a grocery order. Spent about $120. My budget was $100, but luckily I had a $20 in my wallet from our miscellaneous cash envelope. If you guys are not familiar with my cash envelope system or my budgeting system, you guys can check out my budgeting videos. I'll link a couple of those down below, but I was able to get everything that I needed and some stuff we didn't for the week. We do not have any meal kit deliveries this week, so everything is going to be made at home, homemade. So, well, I guess with lots of help from the store, but anyways, I'm rambling. Let's get into what I bought this week. I had to. I love these Paczkis so much. This time of year is like my favorite in terms of sweet treats. And they had them on the bakery clearance rack, and who am I to say no? The apple ones are my favorite, so I picked up a box of apple. And we also got some Bavarian cream ones. Oh, so yummy. Got some spreadable butter. Some eggs. My son has been on a baking kick. He asked specifically that I make sure we have eggs so he can bake some more. I got some bananas, some Ambrosia apples, some Granny Smith apples. Both of those were on sale with a little yellow sticker. We love that. Some parsley. A couple of bottles of my husband's favorite Pure Leaf unsweetened tea. I got some sliced cheddar cheese and some sliced Colby and Monterey Jack cheese. Also went to the deli and got some honey ham. This smells so good. And also some of this oven roasted turkey. And that stuff is amazing. We love that. So that's our sandwich fixins for the week. I got some chewy chocolate chip cookies for Austin. He's my 12-year-old. He requested those. A couple of cans of clam chowder. My husband loves clam chowder, so I got that for him for a lunch option. Some Gatorade. Whole bunch of bread. You know the old saying, when it's going to snow, you need milk and bread, right? This is just for the week, though. And just to stock up our freezer a smidge. So we got some white bread, New York style rye. That's still our favorite right now. Hamburger buns, a couple of packs of those, and some hot dog buns. I got some foam bowls. That's for Robbie, so that he can use it for his chips and salsa, which you guys will see here in a minute. Robbie's my 17-year-old, if you're not familiar. Got some onion rings, some Totino's party pizzas. You guys, I was in the mood for, like, trash, like, food. Stuff that I ate when I was younger. You guys will see some more in a minute. Totino's pizza is one of those things. Oh, so good. Also, the Hamburger Helper. I haven't made Hamburger Helper in probably 10 years, but it sounded good this week. So I picked up the Philly cheesesteak one, which I don't think I've actually tried. And then I also picked up the one from Great Value. It is the 4-cheese lasagna, which was a staple in my household growing up. I already talked to you guys about the onion rings and the buns. I got some heavy whipping cream. We're going to make some fettuccine Alfredo this week. A couple of things at half and half for coffee. Got some sour cream for baked potatoes. Robbie for his kind of snack this week. I've been letting the kids each pick a couple of snacks throughout the week to have just for themselves. They can put them away and it can just be theirs because they're growing boys and I'm finding myself eating out of house and home. Like every time I go to get something out of the cabinet, it's already gone. So I figured if they could pick their own snacks that's just for them, then maybe some of the other stuff will stay in the cabinet. So he picked chips and salsa, got him little foam bowls so he can use it for the salsa. He's going to put that right in his room. So that's that. He likes the medium, so that's what I got for him. Got some classic olive oil, some French onion dip, milk, some hot dogs. I picked up these bacon cheddar bratwurst patties. My husband saw these on the grocery app and requested that we try these ones out. So we're going to do that this week. Also got some ground beef for that Hamburger Helper. There's the tortilla chips for his chips and salsa. And then we got salt and vinegar potato chips and original potato chips. And that's it. So like I said, about $120. pretty good, I think. I think we did pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of this stuff put away now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure, if you did, that you give it a big thumbs up so that I know, and subscribe so that you never miss a video. I post grocery hauls every single week. I also post lots of other fun content here on my channel, so definitely would love it if you would stick around. So, once again, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!